Welcome to Canada. My life in Canada is fucking crazy, okay? So, it is raining down so hard right now. If you guys can't hear me, that's because of the rain up there. Alright, so good afternoon or evening for you guys. Probably. I don't know. But comment down what country you were born in. Comment down what country you are in now. I will be responding back to other people's comments. If you guys cannot see me, that's because of the rain. It's hitting the camera. So yeah. We only got 12 minutes to record. Trust me on this one, guys. Okay? Just trust me. I'll bring you a part 2 of the most rainiest day in the world.